Guys, finally it's my birthday today, October. Finally. You know what? I think I have to say happy birthday in the comments. Because I can see your comments. You better say happy birthday.
What is comments?
I have money. I have money. I have money. I have money. Guys, yes, my brother. Yes.
Just saying it. And don't push the video.
That's my brother, guys. And yeah, you can see I'm playing Call of Duty. You can see I'm playing Call of Duty.
Don't push the video.
You can see I'm playing Call of Duty now, guys. Look, guys, playing Call of Duty. Let me see the game, guys. Let me finish the match.
I'm out to play. Okay, play.
Yeah. It's time for part 2. Come here. I'm stuck in a boat. You know, I can talk Afrika's language, Afrikaans. Sien jou my broer? Goeiemôre. Hoe is jy? Is jy lekker? See, I talk Afrikaans in South Africa, but I am in America. You know where I learned it? But the other people. So you can see I'm playing Call of Duty, guys. See, got some money. Eat my food. I'll be one. I can send it over for you. I'm gonna give it for you. No. Finally, it's my birthday, guys. Peace.